Open CapCut and add your images to the timeline and make their adjustments. Now make a copy of the text image. Select the upper layer text and go to the adjustment and lower its exposure. Then go to the Mask tab and apply a rectangle mask. Select the area of text that you want to highlight. Add some feather and reverse the mask. Then go to the Animation tab and apply the Fade-In animation. After this move, the playhead a few frames forward and drag the duplicate text layer towards the playhead. The last step is to apply a sound effect. I'm going to add a click sound to this animation. You can do anything else. Select both the images and create compound clip. Then add shake animation to this compound clip and you are done.